In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate responses. If you've ever received an answer from ChatGPT that felt a little off, too brief, or just not quite what you were looking for, regenerating the response is the quickest way to get a fresh take without rewriting your prompt from scratch. Here's the idea. Regenerating asks the AI to produce a brand new answer to the exact same prompt you just used. It's like saying, try that again, but with the context of your conversation still in place. This is especially helpful when the first reply misses your tone, needs more detail, or explores only one angle and you'd like to see another. To do it, look directly beneath the AI's most recent message. You'll find a button labeled Regenerate, often shown with a circular arrow icon. On desktop, it sits right under the response area. On mobile, it appears in the same spot beneath the message. When you click or tap Regenerate, the system immediately starts crafting a new version of the answer using your last prompt. A few things to expect after you press it. First, the original reply stays in your conversation history, so you can scroll and compare versions. That makes it easy to decide which answer serves you best. Second, the regenerated response won't be a simple rephrase. It's a fresh attempt that may highlight different details, structure ideas in a new way, or clarify points that were vague before. Third, the quality can vary. Sometimes the second pass is spot on, other times a third try yields the best result. Give it a moment to generate. Rushing through clicks won't necessarily improve outcomes. Remember that Regenerate uses the same prompt you already provided. If you were generally happy with your wording and just want an alternative take, this is perfect. If you had something new in mind, like a specific tone, format, or audience, know that Regenerate won't read your mind. It simply reuses what you wrote before. In those cases, keep in mind for next time that the more clearly you set expectations in your original prompt, the better each regenerated attempt will align. That's really all there is to it. When you want a different version of the last answer, locate the Regenerate button below the AI's response and click or tap it. It's a fast, effective way to explore multiple phrasings, levels of detail, and perspectives, all while keeping your conversation intact and your workflow smooth.